G'day all, my name's Travis. I'm making this video really in response to Marcus over at Musson's Wagtail window cleaning. I appreciate a lot of the videos he's put out on know-how and how we as window cleaners can improve the way we work, our efficiency, what we do. Now I'd just like to show you how I'm currently doing things with window cleaning. I've got a pressure pump sprayer here. It's a 12 litre Polzn brand, and it is a trolley system, so fully portable. It's very easy to get in and out of the car, and the advantages of this being on wheels, of course. Any window cleaner who's been cleaning for a number of years, we're lifting our buckets filled with 10, maybe 20 litres of water, sometimes 200 times a day. That's very taxing on our body. I've been window cleaning 25 years now, and my shoulders, like most window cleaners, are pretty much buggered. So this is a very good way of delivering clean water constantly to the glass, and fully portable. Just come over here, our director of photography. So it puts out, as you can see, very good spray onto the glass. So this, with whatever formula you want to use, because it has Viton seals, it is also chemical resistant. Now, the advantages to this is that we can also use it, let the air out. Where this is a very good system is that we can interchange it to make our tools water fed. What I mean by that is these simple connections here with my Wagtail, simply being able to, this is the high flyer, be able to attach a push fit T-section onto the handle here, and we simply connect that up. This is 10mm tubing into 8mm tubing, and let me just give this a few pumps to pressurise it. What this means is that we can then use the water in here to deliver water onto the glass for use of poles. Now just take a moment to get the water flowing. And I've got to get this done the right way. Just give me a second. On the job fixes, there we go. Okay, let's just adjust this down again. Now I'm not sure if that's coming out in the video, but we've got a very good flow coming through. So when we have this working at height, the advantages of this system is, you'll notice I've got the trigger assembly attached to the pole here. Trigger on and off. Just focus on the glass again. So put as much water as we need on, trigger off, and then we can proceed to wash, and then go ahead and use it to do our window. So this is the system. Now this also works up to 3 stories. I've got this pole here when I have the stage 7 and 8 added onto it. That'll reach about 4 stories, and the pole tubing can be run on the outside, or you can run it through the pole with these handles. These are Gardner handles, and I'll show you on this pole too. It has the hole for the tubing to come through. This is such an advantage, because when you are poling 2 or 3 stories up and you can deliver water constantly onto glass, not have to bring your pole down, dip it in the bucket, absolutely brilliant, particularly in Australia. We have very hot days, and the chance of water drying on the window very high. This is just a very good system that I've found on being able to clean windows at height. These Wagtail high flyers are excellent, but you can also use, just hold this for a second please, just focus on that. I'll show you what can be done also with this. If you're running the tubing through the pole, you can also use the liquidators, and rather than using a Y connection, you just put a T connection through, the same setup as this, and you can have it coming through the pole with your T-bar connection and water delivered underneath. You'll be spraying directly underneath where your liquidator and flick pad are, if you like the Mormon gear or the Wagtail. It works with either. But the beauty of this is, just hold that again, that can be unplugged, be taken out, I think it's important to be able to have these tools to be able to be used as either hand tools or on the pole, and the interchange should be very quick and very smooth, so that you're not wasting much time. If I then want to convert this back to a pole tool, it's simply a matter of just putting these back in and putting our little outlets that deliver the spray. So just a short video just to explain my working setup. I really like the way this is all working out. If anyone wants to have more details, leave a comment in the comment section, and if there's enough interest, I'll do a more detailed video on how to set this up and how you can get it working for you. But for anyone who's been cleaning windows a long time, who has those aches and pains, I think this is a very good system. Not lifting heavy buckets in and out of your car, not lifting a heavy bucket going from window to window, and you're always delivering clean water to the glass. So let me know what you think. If you want more details, I can certainly make a follow-up video. Alright, thanks a lot.